to be held at the Getty Museum, March, is it 14?
17th and 18th.
17 and 18. And that is the weekend, so Saturday night and Sunday afternoon. And it features, it's a show called Agos, and it features Kayamanan ng Lahi and Rondalia, you know, preserving Philippine arts and culture. But when we talk about preserving, feeling ng mga tao, matatanda.
No.
It's not like that. There are other generations, younger generations, in fact, second, third, fourth generation Filipino Americans that are interested in preserving the culture, also connecting to her heritage, right? Renee is one of them. Renee has been with Kayamanan ng Lahi for how many years now?
12 years now.
12 years. What got you into it?
Well, my mom moved here when she was 11, and she stopped speaking Ilocano. So she wanted me to learn something, and the only way she knew how was for me to dance. So here I am, 12, you know, almost 17 years later, still dancing.
Right. And, you know, what's nice about this, Joelle, is sometimes, you know, she doesn't even speak Tagalog. And sometimes, you know, they say, when you don't speak Tagalog and you know you were born and raised here, you're Americanized, but you're a Filipino culture, you're looking for that heritage. And I guess it's wonderful that people find it in dance.
You know, I think they learn the language of culture through dance. And because of performing arts, it's not just sayaw, it's musika, it's wika, so we learn songs. So there's a lot of different learnings that we do. It's not all kilos, it's not all movement.
Right.
So Renee, in addition to being a performing arts member, she takes care of our material culture, which is one of the aspects of culture, and she does a wonderful job at that.
So now you've graduated from dancing with them to taking care of the costumes, and I'm sure you're learning a lot more about your heritage now that you're looking at those colorful pieces, right?
Yes.
What's the best learning for you? What's the best takeaway from this?
Just knowing that there's more to it than tinikling and other, you know, just the regular dances that people know, like bandango, that there's more dances that really reach back to your roots.
Right, right.
And it's just it's a great history lesson that you get to live through dance.
Tagumpay, when you talk to your students and when you talk to younger Filipinos and maybe second, third, fourth generation Filipino Americans, how do you talk to them? How do you introduce Rondalia? How do you introduce Philippine music to them?
Well, of course, first I try to tell them the history of the Rondalia, how it became part of our, you know, musical heritage, and explain to them during the Spanish colonial period. That's when we had this Rondalia. But then to let them enjoy the music, I let them listen first to all the Rondalia music that we have on record. And then sometimes I start with the simple ones, and then I let them listen also to concert pieces that a Rondalia can play.
And I guess that's where the appreciation comes from. So Renee, talk to the people out there, your generation, your peers, and you know, for some of them that may be thinking, you know, oh, that's for my parents. I'm not supposed to go. I won't enjoy that. What would you tell them?
Try it. It's something different. You never know. A lot of my best friends are from KNL. I grew up with them, and it's an experience. It's something you can't really get from college, something you can't see, you can't feel it in high school because you don't share that extra connection back to your heritage, and you can't share it with anyone else unless you're on the dance floor.
Okay, guys, Agos at the Getty Museum, it's not just a performance, it's not just a concert, it is a getting together of the family. Joelle. We're
collaborating with the Rondalia Club of Los Angeles, the Queen of Jazz Filipino, Charmaine Clamore, and our multicultural generations of Kayamanan ng Lahi, welcoming our kababayans to flow with us.
Yes, and the best thing about this is it is for free. All you need to do is call and reserve your space because seating is limited, correct? Tagumpay, what can we expect from the Rondalia? Ano bang mga magagandang musika? Meron ba kaming kilalang mga kundiman na tutugtugin ng Rondalia?
Well, you know, the dances are also a good way to present our music, but you know, it's a new experience for us too because this first time we'll be joining a jazz group, and we have not played jazz. Of course, the Rondalia is mostly traditional.
Right. And Charmaine is going to be taking care of the jazz portion wonderfully. Such an amazing singer as well. This is a great show, guys, and I encourage all of you. Dalhin niyo po yung mga kamag-anak niyo, mga kakilala niyo, kahit hindi Pilipino, I assure you they will appreciate. That's the information on the screen. That's the number. Don't forget to call. You have to reserve because seating is limited. For now, thank you so much, guys. More power. Break a leg on your concert at the show. This has been Janelle Sawyer, kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.